Hello future developers, in this tutorial we are going to cover the anchor element. The main goal of the World Wide Web is to link documents, locally but also from all over the world. So, how do we create a link on our web page and link it to another page? Let's find out and open our index.html file. Okay, let's create the anchor element. The tags look like this. The first attribute of the anchor element is the href attribute. This defines the path to the document which we want to link it to. Let's give it the absolute value of the path of my website for website templates. Okay, now let's type in some text between the tags. This is the text for our link. Let's see if it works. It does. We can also link it to a local file on our computer. Let's link it to our example.html file. Begin with // because the file is in the same map, followed by the document name. As you can see, we have linked our two pages. There is also another attribute, the target attribute. This attribute can have different values, like _self and _blank. _self opens the page in the same frame, while _blank opens the page in a new tab or window. _self is the default value. Let's see if it works. As you noticed, the second hyperlink opened in a new tab. Okay, so now we have learned that we can link our anchor to other websites and documents. Let's open example.html and create a new anchor element. But a hyperlink can also be used to navigate to an element in the same document. Therefore, we first must give that element an ID. Let's choose header 6 for our destination. We will give it an ID of header 6. Now, enter the ID in our href attribute starting with an hashtag. So the anchor know it's linking to an in-page element. Cool, our page scrolled all the way down to our header. The last thing that I want to show you is that you can also wrap the anchor element around almost every other HTML element, instead around some plain text. Let's make a hyperlink of our image element. Cool, our image is now a hyperlink. Okay, let's do it one more time for our list element bananas. Alright, that also works. Cool, you've learned a lot about hyperlinks. This is fundamental for every website. Keep practicing and before you know, you'll be linking pages.